And the
It went off 2
following
times in a row, but I
Pennsylvania,
didn't capture the
Delaware, and
first
Philadelphia.
times.
What? 1 to 2
But
feet
it
of
was
elevation above ground
kind of
level
like a
in rural
doubleheader.
areas near shorelines and tidal
But
waterways.
I didn't catch
Where?
the first
In New
header.
Jersey, Gloucester, and Camden. In Pennsylvania,
I
Delaware,
didn't
and
catch the
Philadelphia.
first header, though.
When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs along tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.
No, it can't be triple header.
Here is the official National Weather Service
Yeah, it's not
forecast for
triple
Chesapeake
header.
Bay,